How to create an About page. In order to do this, first head over to your setup on your home page, and then from in there you can see in here this. Just hover to the left sidebar in order to click onto the website option, and from in there click on pages that will actually show up. This will show you in here the pages panel. As you can see, we have our main navigation, not link option, as well as some marketing tools, custom code, and system pages. So as you can see, we don't have an about page yet. So what we can do is we can click onto this plus icon above the main navigation. And then you can choose between page layouts, scheduling, blogs, options right here that we can actually do. So on this case, let's head over and choose in here this page layout. And then let's look for about page template. So in here, you can see that we have this about. Click on this. And then just choosing here the about page template that you wish to use. For example, let's choose in here this one. Then after that, this will load and as you can see, it's now been added. You can just rename that. And you can also drag this in order to rearrange this for this actual navigation. Now click onto this about page, click onto this edit, and you can proceed to do some edits like editing some text as well as some pictures. So that's all there is today and I hope this picture helped you out.